Hello friends, I hope everybody's doing well. Okay, so last time we're what we wanted to do was test the brush hog after we did all the work. This was having trouble locking up the engine when we made it the brush hog to the tractor. Okay, so we fixed that. I had another horizontal shaft that I put on there. It seems to be that the flange here was probably bent. Okay, so we got that part all right, but then the only problem was we couldn't get the tractor started. First thing I found was a clogged fuel filter, so I replaced the fuel filter. And then the next thing was it didn't have any spark. So we took the magneto off, cleaned the points, made sure they were set right, put it back together. And we got it to run. I cut in the front with it with no problem. Well, we shut the PTO off, the blade stopped like it should. Also, what I want to do today is, ever since then, I just put the machine away, and today what I want to do is see how it starts on a cold start. I'm expecting 2 pulls at the most to get it started, and what we're going to do today is, let's take a walk in the little field here. We had the remnants of Hurricane and Tropical Storm Debbie, and we have some branches down here. Most of the reason why these branches fall like this is these nuts, these walnuts, they're pretty heavy. So every little bit of wind that you get, it comes down in branches. So I'm not going to pick up all the nuts, we're just going to run them over. But I want to do the cold start. We'll do one more test on the brush hog. And then what I want to do is, this tractor was mostly the biggest thing I wanted to do to this tractor was to find the oil leak and repair it. But since it hasn't ran in 2 years, that's why I wanted to test the brush hog on this. And like I said before, it wouldn't start. We got it to start and run it all right and everything like that. And then after this video, somewhere along the line, I won't pull the dual wheel spacers off. I just have the tires so I could put them on and off. And I'll take the brush hog off this. I'll put it on a 1973 C8 for now. And I'll put the snowplow on this. So I could jack it up real good. We'll probably just pull off the left tire, and I'll get back to you in the next video. I'm not going to show degreasing it or anything like that. I'm going to clean the whole bottom off of all the oil and stuff. I wonder if this left a stain. I didn't even look to see if it did. Let me just grab the flashlight. It wasn't leaking, not that bad, but when it, yeah, there's a spot there. That would be funny if it's another drain plug gasket, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to clean everything up under there, and we'll see what's going on with that. But that's for the next video, to check the oil leak. So I'm gonna go clean the field up, the little field up of the branches and stuff, and then we'll take it out there and well, first of all, we're going to see how it does on a cold start before we take it out there. Okay, so I gave it some throttle. I choked it. I turned on the gas. I would love it if it starts on the first pull, but I hope it starts at least on the second pull. That's cool. Alright, so I'll meet you out in the little field. chops those nuts up pretty good. It's a whole lot less raking in the spring. This is the year that the nuts are, sometimes it's every other year that the nuts come down from the tree. Alright, so next thing we want to do is we want to make sure the blade stops. That was the whole problem with this. I'm not going to get you closer. Put the timer down. So we're good with that. Okay, so the brush hog and the tractor did everything we wanted it to do. So that's cool. Alright, so next time the tractor will probably be jacked up, and we'll be looking for an oil leak on it. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you all on the next one. Thanks for watching, and I also want to thank all the subscribers and viewers. I appreciate all of you. So if you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment. I read and answer all the comments. So take care.